You guys hear that? It's the Oklahoma song of spring. That means it's time to start working on the garden. It's actually our tornado siren testing, but still, it means spring. Every sunny Wednesday at noon, we get to hear this, so I guess at least we know they work if we need them this year. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm in the greenhouse, getting some seeds started. Today I'm just doing peppers, and then I will we have some potatoes for planting, and I'm probably gonna go ahead and cut those and get them sitting out to get ready to plant here in a few weeks. I think John usually likes to plant those around St. Patrick's Day. We might be on track for that, I'm not sure. We've had some psychotic weather lately. It'll be 80 one day, 6 inches of snow the next. Stay for a little while, warm back up. Like right now it's 80 degrees and so it's very, very hot in here. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take advantage of that. We'll get the bell peppers started. We're only doing one variety this year for, a couple of reasons. We've done the years where we've grown many things to try out what we liked. We like this one, it grows well, and honestly it's what we have, so that's what we're gonna do. It's the California Wonder Bell. That'll focus so you can see it. It grows really well for us. We didn't actually grow any last year because in 2020 when we did that big growing season, we had so many that I honestly still have some. So I didn't have to really worry about any last year. We did, I think, 2 whole rows in the tunnel of peppers. Probably won't do that many this year because I don't think I plan on growing 2 years worth. But yeah, right now the plan is get those started, and with our crazy weather, it's gonna be warm all week, but then I think by Monday they're expecting snow again. So that means it's gonna be the time of year where we're bringing the plants out here for some sun, take them back inside for some warmth in the evening. So here we go. Okay, slight change of plans. That little ding you just heard when I was talking a minute ago was John. So I guess we are doing a lot of peppers again this year. He said let's go ahead and do a bunch, so we will. And we have one more variety that I didn't realize we still had any seeds of. Just a very few, but so we'll have mostly the California Wonder that I just told you about. And then also it's the YOLO Wonder Pepper. We've grown those before too, really liked them. I just thought we were out. We have a few seeds, so we'll go ahead and grow those too. So he didn't make a spreadsheet, so I'm just kind of going on my own, which is fine with me because I'm more the kind of do whatever, and he's very much the spreadsheet guy. So that's why at first I was saying, we'll just do a little bit. We're not doing just a little bit. Here's a tip for all of you. When you're starting your seeds, if you have a starting mix like we do and most people use, get it a little wet first so you're not choking to death on all of that dry mix. I put it in a big tub and then I add water to it. Just get it a little wet, makes it much more pleasant. Makes the perfect little spot to put the seeds in, then just cover it with some more soil. All right, over 200, let's see if I can do some math. Over 200 bell pepper plants started. Got 3 trays going. Mostly that California Wonder, but a little bit of the YOLO. See, there's 24 of those, so just a few seeds left. Go ahead and use those up. Got that all watered. And now it's time to get the potatoes started, or ready to get planted in a few weeks. had to show you guys some of the craziness I was telling you about, our weird weather. 80 degrees today. It is warm, it is sunny. There's still snow on the ground from a couple days ago. We have very moody weather here in Oklahoma. All right, it's a lot cooler on here. I'm on the porch instead of in the greenhouse, which, you know, is really hot. Nice screened-in porch, great for doing some of this outside work. Going to get seed potatoes ready. So you could plant it just like that, but it's much better if you cut it into several pieces, as long as you make sure and leave one of the eyes where it's growing. Then you can have a lot more, obviously. So that's what I'm getting ready to do. Just going to cut them, and then I'm going to put them out to dry, kind of scab over that open area. And then in a few weeks, when they're ready, we will plant them out. You guys hear my obnoxious little buddy? Hey, boo-boo. He is wanting some attention, so I'm letting him hang out with me up here for a little while. Except then we get to hear his loud breathing the whole time. But he's so sweet. He's so sweet. All right. Some of them will have several spots, so you can get lots of seeds out of that. Some of them only have a few. We are going to grow 2 varieties this year. They've kind of turned out to be our favorite. We have the red Pontiac and the Kennebec. So I like the reds and the yellow. Not crazy about just a russet potato. I mean, I know they have their purposes and they're really good for certain things, but preference, I guess. If we stay on schedule, John likes to put them in the ground St. Patrick's Day. That's usually the plan. I don't even know what day of the week that falls on this year. Do you?
I never know what day of the week something falls on.
I never know what day of the week it is.
Wrong.
Feels like that anyway.
Potato.
Puppy.
Hi, buddy.
Okay, got all those potatoes done. Got them cut, ready to go. We have the red Pontiac and the Kennebec. And we are just going to put them in a warm, dry place in the house and let them kind of scab over. And then in a couple weeks, 2 or 3 weeks, I'm not sure, we'll get them planted out. All right, got the seeds started, got the potatoes ready. It was snowy last week, chance of it again next week, and it's 80 and sunny, really pretty. So I think we should go jump on the boat for a little while. I think that's what we might do. Take advantage of the sun, gorgeous weather, and we will see you guys next time. Bye.